Hey guys, welcome back to MT Paradise. So right now we're actually at the Redbird Ranch meet. This is kind of like a neighborhood meet that's slowly starting to blow up. There's gonna be a lot of awesome cars here. Donovan should be here with his Ferrari, but there's definitely gonna be a lot of awesome cars. There's already a lot of JDM cars, some Skylines. I know there's gonna be some Mark IV Supers coming, but stay tuned, this is gonna be awesome. All right guys, so what do you think of this C8 Corvette? It's the C8R edition, and normally it comes with just like some simple stripes. Interior's a little different color, and Ed decided to kind of go all out with it, do all kinds of crazy decals, stripes to make it look like the actual race car. And since the last time I saw it, I see that the engine bay is quite a bit different. So let me know what you guys think. All right, so there are quite a few Supras here, a lot of Skylines, also some like R35 GTRs. Like there's actually a like 50th anniversary one that showed up. It's been in a few previous meets. It looks absolutely amazing with blue with white stripes, but like these Supras here are crazy. And all the Skylines, like there's even like built Corvettes here. Like this meet is such a great turnout this month, and I guarantee you it's just gonna keep getting better and better. If you guys are in this area, kind of like the west side of San Antonio, definitely check out the Redbird Ranch meets. Also just kind of hit me up if you want to know like kind of when they are, exactly where they are, and I can share that information with you guys. But let's go ahead and keep checking out the cars because there are so many that are pulling in. All right guys, so everybody's pretty much heading out right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap up the vlog right here. I got Donovan's Ferrari right here in the background. Got some Subarus pulling out right now, which sound really good. But if you guys like this video, definitely go down and hit that like button down below. If you guys want to see more videos like this, definitely hit that subscribe button. I got a lot of awesome stuff coming. Hopefully by the end of the year, I will have my crazy awesome car in. It's a little delayed, but it's gonna be awesome. So definitely hit that subscribe, stay tuned. But let me know what your guys' favorite car was, because I just absolutely love Donovan's Ferrari. It just looks wild, but like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.